In this video I will explain how to make these kind of shapes, structures. They are all based on the same principle. It's an algorithm called shortest path, which was invented in the 50s. All we need for the algorithm is a path, in this case these two lines, and a network of curves in which to find the shortest path from A to B. In this case it will look like this. By changing the location of the endpoints we will get different paths. This is all on the same network of curves with a different endpoint for these two paths. For doing this in 3 dimensions, the principle is the same. We need the wanted path from starting point to end point and some kind of network for the algorithm to find the shortest path. So in this example, this will be the shortest path. Of course it looks like a tree, and from this curve it's possible to create a more smooth curve and then applying a surface onto it. Here it's a variable radius pipe using points along the curve to specify different radius. And to change the shape we just need to use different clouds of points for the grid and for the endpoints. So for example, this shape was made from a random domain of points, but we can use points which are all on a sphere. By applying these points, for which the network will also be spherical, we will get this kind of shape, and we can integrate it with the base surface, which is a sphere, to get kind of a root pattern across a surface, in this case a sphere, but it's also possible to use meshes. For example, I can use this mesh to create the network, and these paths to create the desired path, for which we'll have this kind of result. And by changing the curve we can change the type of surface to a more polyline based shape, and that's about it. We need to specify a wanted path, network of curves, and then to run the shortest path algorithm, which is very old and well known. Hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope I managed to explain this process.